Hello, as I speak to you now, as a weed upon the earth, I am standing in sand. But actually, I'm standing in manufactured footwear made by laborers somewhere in the world. And they are laboring within the confines of a man-made structure, most likely concrete. And they go to this concrete structure for 8 or more hours a day, and they manufacture footwear so that I can stand on this sand, and the sand will not touch my feet. I am separated by nature. I am separated from nature by this man-made product. So, I want you to think about that while I am standing on sand within boots manufactured somewhere in America by people who spend 8 hours or more a day within a concrete structure doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. Can you please witness your mind accepting that as fact as we look at the beautiful sunrise here at Brighton Beach, and we have the birds and the sky and the sand and the rocks, and it's my beach. No, it's your beach. It's his beach. It's her beach. It's the bird's beach. It's nature's beach. And I'm on the beach with my manufactured boots made by people. But the sand, well, that's made by people too. They bring the sand in and they make the beach. Everything is labor. Our human labor. 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 And who is profiting from this labor? We all are. We all get to use the beach. Is that true? Anyway, let's not call upon the Saint Marks now. Let's just look at the beautiful sunrise. And I bid you farewell at this time at 5:30 in the morning on Tuesday, some day in May. Ciao. John Kehoe, a weed upon the earth, just like you, and we displace our guilt of being weeds upon the earth by calling innocent plants weeds. We are the weeds. We are the weeds. We are the weeds. Okay, ciao. Rock and roll and take care. Bye.